Hey guys, it's Rob here. Today I'm going to show you how to blur clips in Davinci Resolve. So the first thing we're going to do is drag our footage into the timeline. Make sure you have the footage or the clip selected. Go down to the color tab at the bottom. Next, come up to the blur tab, which is the droplet with the triangle next to it here. Where it says radius, underneath there, drag this bar in the middle, and the more you drag it upwards, the more blurred the clip will become. If you want to blur a specific part of the footage or image, come over to the left, click the window tab, which is this circle with dots on it. You can then choose the shape, so if you wanted to blur a circle, you can click on the circle and then up here it will appear. You can adjust this to your liking, move it around wherever you would like, change the size with the dots. Now if we go back to the blur tab and we increase the blur, you can see a circle is blurred on the footage. If we press play, just like that. So there you go. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.